Det var sådan lidt improviseret, fordi at, vi har ikke spillet det nummer før sammen, altså.
Tusind tak, her.
Så nogle gange så
kommer med noget,
og nogle gange gør man noget andet.
Bolvenaj, single malt from Isle, the land of Isle.
Ja, nu skal vi drikke os stang stive heroppe på scenen.
Stang stive.
Pas på!
Ja, desværre rører Thomas ikke i hård spiritus.
Den er giftig, den der!
Du skal også have giftig.
De siger, den er giftig.
Men vi skåler med vores venner, og dem som vi kender, og dem som vi ikke kender, dem skåler vi også med. Skål!
Skål, Kalle!
Ja, okay. Det kommer du lidt bagefter det.
Ej, det er ulimund.
Ej, det smager godt, det der. Ja, hvad kan vi så finde på her,
David Lindley. Casey Douglas har skrevet en sang, som senere blev indspillet af David Lindley, og den var jeg ret vild med. Den handler om en bil. Den handler om en bil. She didn't stay long. She bought herself a Mercury cruise, went on home. Crazy ball Mercury, crazy ball Mercury. Well, she's crazy ball Mercury, losing up and down the road. Hit it, baby! I stole her from a friend. He got lucky and stole a bank of cake. But she knew he had a Mercury. Well, she knew he had a Mercury. Well, she knew he had a Mercury. You know me down the road. Hey, now, mama, look me so fine. Rock my bomb and your perfect fine. Crazy about the Mercury. Crazy about the Mercury. Crazy about the Mercury. Well, my baby went out, she didn't stay long. She bought herself a Mercury cruise in her home. Crazy about Mercury, crazy about the Mercury. Well, she's crazy about the Mercury, cruising up and down the road. Yes, if I got money, I'll tell you what I do. I'll go down south and buy a Mercury too. Crazy about the Mercury, crazy about the Mercury. Crazy about the Mercury. Så skal vi have Mercury Blues. Nu skal vi have en helt fuldstændig stilfærdig blues. En fuldstændig en, som jeg har skrevet. Ja, det er... Ja, nu går Kalle, nu kan Kalle. Nå, det er fint. Han har mælkesyre, mand. Drengen har mælkesyre, mand. Nej, hvor er det tyndt, mand. Se så der, hvordan mælkesyren vælter ud af ørerne på ham. Og se så der, Kalle kommer der, han kommer rendende. Han har fået mælkesyren tappet af vores meget flinke lydhold. Det skal man sige til ham, han skal selv skrue op.
Ja, tak.
Ja, tak. Ja, du skruer bare lige, så ser du ud.
Så røg freden på scenen.
Ja, så har vi balladen. I got a black-eyed woman, she's so mean to me. I got a black-eyed woman, she's so mean to me. And she keeps on yelling, she's no good to me. Every morning she howls, every morning she shouts at me. Every morning she's so mean to me. She's the meanest woman that I ever did see. That's why I have the blues. I have the black-eyed blues. That's why I have the blues. I have the black-eyed blues. I'm gonna leave this city. I've got to get away. That's why I have the blues. I have the black-eyed blues. I'm gonna leave this madhouse. I've got to get away. Because this mean old woman, she sure can make me stay. I'm gonna leave this city. I got to get away. Gonna leave this city. I got to get away. Because this mean old woman, she sure can't make me stay.